Congratulations! You've made an incredible decision to transform your life through bariatric surgery. This is a monumental step towards achieving a healthier, more vibrant you. You've taken a huge step towards a healthier life with bariatric surgery. This journey is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a new perspective on life, embracing new habits, and discovering a renewed sense of self. This is a time of exciting changes. You'll start to notice improvements in your energy levels, mobility, and overall well-being. Each day brings new opportunities to celebrate your progress and set new goals. You're on your way to achieving a healthier weight. This journey will require dedication and perseverance, but the rewards are immense. Imagine the joy of being able to participate in activities you once found challenging or even impossible. But like any big change, it comes with new things to learn. You'll need to educate yourself about nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments to ensure long-term success. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this new chapter. This is a journey of transformation, both physically and mentally. It's important to take time for self-reflection and to acknowledge the emotional aspects of this process. Your mental health is just as crucial as your physical health. As you recover and adjust, it's completely normal to have questions and maybe even a few concerns. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare team for guidance. They are there to support you and provide the answers you need. This guide is here to support you every step of the way. From understanding dietary requirements to managing potential side effects, we aim to provide you with comprehensive information and resources. We'll explore common challenges after surgery. These might include adjusting to new eating habits, dealing with emotional changes, and staying motivated. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. This includes things like avoiding weight regain and preventing nutrient deficiencies. It's essential to follow your dietary guidelines and take any prescribed supplements to maintain your health. We'll also equip you with practical tips and strategies for long-term success. Meal planning, regular physical activity, and setting realistic goals are key components of a sustainable lifestyle. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or a support group. Sharing your experiences and challenges can make a significant difference. With the right knowledge and support, you can embrace the transformative power of bariatric surgery and live your healthiest, happiest life. This is just the beginning of a beautiful journey towards a brighter, healthier future. After bariatric surgery, it's normal to be thrilled as you see the weight come off. The initial phase can be incredibly rewarding as the pounds seem to melt away, and you start to feel lighter and more energetic. This period is often filled with excitement and a renewed sense of hope for a healthier future. You might find yourself fitting into clothes you haven't worn in years, receiving compliments from friends and family, and feeling a boost in your self-esteem. It's a time of transformation, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally as well. But it's important to understand that weight regain can happen. This is a common experience for many who undergo bariatric surgery. The body is an adaptive organism, and over time it can adjust to the changes brought about by the surgery. This doesn't mean that the surgery has failed, or that you have failed. It's simply a part of the journey. Recognizing this possibility early on can help you prepare and take proactive steps to manage it. It's crucial to stay informed and vigilant about your health and weight management. Don't worry, it's not a sign of failure. Weight regain is a natural part of the process for many. It's an opportunity to reassess and readjust your habits and lifestyle. Support from friends, family, and healthcare professionals can make a significant difference. They can provide encouragement, accountability, and practical advice to help you stay on track. Remember, this journey is not about perfection but about progress and persistence. It's simply a sign that you need to adjust your habits. This might involve revisiting your diet and exercise routines, seeking guidance from a nutritionist, or joining a support group. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Keeping a health journal can be a helpful tool to track your progress, identify patterns, and stay motivated. It's about finding what works best for you and making sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. Think of your stomach like a shrunken pouch. After surgery, your stomach is much smaller, which helps you feel full with less food. This is a key factor in the initial weight loss. The reduced stomach size limits the amount of food you can eat at one time, which helps you consume fewer calories. It's a powerful tool, but it's not a magic solution. Understanding how it works can help you make the most of it. At first it's much smaller, helping you eat less. This can lead to rapid weight loss in the beginning. However, it's important to remember that this is just the start of your journey. The habits you develop during this time will set the foundation for long-term success. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help you manage hunger and maintain energy levels throughout the day. But over time, it can stretch a little. This is a natural process and can happen to anyone. The stomach's elasticity means it can expand to accommodate more food if you consistently eat larger portions. This is why it's crucial to be mindful of your eating habits and portion sizes. Regularly monitoring your food intake and making adjustments as needed can help you maintain the benefits of the surgery. This means you might be able to eat more than before. What can you do? The key is to stay proactive and make conscious choices about your diet and lifestyle. Planning your meals in advance, being aware of portion sizes, and choosing nutrient-dense foods can help you stay on track. It's also helpful to stay connected with your healthcare team for ongoing support and guidance. Portion control. Pay attention to how much you're eating. Using tools like food scales and measuring cups can help you keep your portions in check. It's easy to underestimate how much you're eating, especially when you're busy or distracted. By being mindful of portion sizes, you can avoid overeating and stay within your calorie goals. Use smaller plates and measure out your food to avoid overeating. This simple trick can make a big difference. Smaller plates can make your portions look larger, which can help you feel more satisfied with less food. It's a psychological strategy that can support your physical efforts. Consistently practicing portion control can help you maintain your weight loss and prevent regain. Protein first. Make sure to eat protein with every meal. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, especially when you're losing weight. It also helps you feel full longer, which can reduce the temptation to snack between meals. Including a source of protein in every meal can support your weight loss efforts and overall health. Protein keeps you feeling full longer, which can help prevent overeating. This is particularly important after bariatric surgery, as your body needs adequate protein to heal and function properly. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils. Incorporating a variety of protein sources can keep your meals interesting and nutritious. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils. These foods are not only rich in protein but also provide other essential nutrients that support your overall health. Experimenting with different recipes and cooking methods can help you enjoy these foods and stay committed to your dietary goals. Stay hydrated. It's easy to mistake thirst for hunger. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help you manage your appetite and avoid unnecessary snacking. Staying hydrated is also crucial for your overall health and well-being. It supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and energy levels. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before meals. This can help you feel fuller and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Carrying a water bottle with you can serve as a reminder to drink regularly. Making hydration a habit can support your weight loss efforts and overall health. This can help you feel fuller and prevent overeating. By staying hydrated, you can better manage your hunger cues and make healthier choices. Remember, the journey after bariatric surgery is ongoing, and staying informed and proactive can help you achieve lasting success. Bariatric surgery can affect how your body absorbs nutrients. This type of surgery, which is often performed to help with weight loss, involves changes to your digestive system that can impact the way your body processes and absorbs essential vitamins and minerals. Because of these changes, it's crucial to pay extra attention to your diet and nutritional intake after surgery to ensure your body gets what it needs to function properly. This means it's more important than ever to make healthy food choices. Common deficiencies. After bariatric surgery, some of the most common nutrient deficiencies include iron, vitamin B12, and calcium. These nutrients play vital roles in your overall health and well-being, and a deficiency in any of them can lead to serious health issues. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body. It is a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without enough iron, your body can't produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to a condition known as iron deficiency anemia. A deficiency can lead to fatigue and shortness of breath. You might also experience dizziness, headaches, and a rapid heartbeat. These symptoms can significantly impact your quality of life, making it difficult to perform everyday activities. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for nerve function and cell growth. It helps keep your body's nerve and blood cells healthy, and helps make DNA, the genetic material in all of your cells. Vitamin B12 also plays a role in preventing a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia that makes people tired and weak. A deficiency can lead to fatigue, tingling in the hands and feet, and even anemia. Other symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency can include difficulty walking, memory loss, and mood changes. It's important to address this deficiency promptly to avoid long-term damage. Calcium is vital for strong bones. It is the most abundant mineral in the body and is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of bones and teeth. Calcium also plays a role in muscle function, nerve signaling, and blood clotting. After surgery, your body might not absorb it as well, increasing the risk of osteoporosis or weak bones. Osteoporosis can lead to an increased risk of fractures, particularly in the hip, spine, and wrist. Ensuring adequate calcium intake is crucial for maintaining bone health and preventing these complications. Supplements. Your doctor will likely recommend specific vitamin and mineral supplements tailored to your needs. These supplements can help fill the gaps in your diet and ensure you get the necessary nutrients to support your recovery and overall health. It's important to follow your doctor's recommendations and take these supplements as directed. Nutrient-rich foods. Focus on consuming foods rich in the nutrients you need. For example, incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet can help you meet your nutritional needs and support your recovery. Aim to include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in your meals. Iron red meat, leafy green vegetables, fortified cereals. These foods are excellent sources of iron and can help prevent iron deficiency anemia. Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits can enhance iron absorption. Vitamin B12, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products. These animal-based foods are rich in vitamin B12 and can help prevent deficiency. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, consider fortified foods or supplements to meet your vitamin B12 needs. Calcium, dairy products, leafy green vegetables, fortified foods. These foods are excellent sources of calcium and can help maintain bone health. If you are lactose intolerant or do not consume dairy, look for fortified plant-based milk alternatives and other calcium-rich foods to meet your needs. Bariatric surgery is a tool to help you lose weight, but it's not a magic solution. It's essential to adopt healthy eating habits that you can maintain for life. Mindful eating. Slow down. Chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. Eating too quickly can lead to overeating. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're comfortably satisfied. Avoid distractions. Turn off the TV and put away your phone while you eat. This will help you focus on your meal and prevent mindless overeating. Food journal. Keeping a food journal can help you identify potential triggers for unhealthy eating habits.